Good morning. As you can tell, I got out of the shower, or I don't know if you can tell, but I got out of the shower. And I'm gonna try to do something with my face today. I don't know what that's gonna be. Okay, so this is the extent of my makeup. I only put concealer underneath my eyes. You can kind of tell, but I don't care. I did my hair like this today. I may film a Dollar Tree haul, I'm not quite sure, but I've got some things to do off camera, so I'll be right back. Earlier, I was filming my Dollar Tree haul and the doorbell rang and Loxie started barking, and this is what actually arrived. It wasn't from Amazon, but my order from Walmart.com. I had to get some of these storage bins because I want to organize these specifically that I bought for Halloween and fall. So all of this basically needs to come out of the boxes and be organized into these. So that is what we're going to start now. I don't know that I'm going to finish, but I definitely want to at least get this out of here and then get all this put up into the garage. So I already have two filled up, and there's another bin outside that I actually want to go through and get rid of that bin because it's kind of old and broken, and then get those items into one of these. But I also have to remember that I need at least two for the decor that I have in here now that's there and throughout the kitchen and then in the fireplace. So it's probably gonna take two, which means I have two left, and I thought these were bigger than this, to be honest, and it was gonna be split fall and Halloween, but it's looking like I'm gonna have to literally use 6 bins for Halloween stuff, which is crazy because I don't even put out all of this stuff. But I think I'm really going to condense once I move kind of into my forever home, I guess, or whatever. So, but for now I just don't know like what I really want to get rid of. And actually I sat here and got rid of a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, so anyway, 2 for the decor I have, 1 for that other bin outside, and then I'll probably end up using this for maybe more Halloween decor that I'm gonna need more space for. So that's basically it for that organization, and then I'll get those moved later. And I got another package. This was actually the one I thought Loxie was barking for, but let's go ahead and open this up because this one I'm super excited for. So this is what I got. I'm so excited. So I got holiday and handcuffs, I got snow 2, and then I got Santa Baby, Christmas in Boston, Snow Globe, Christmas Cupid. I'm really excited. I haven't seen Christmas in Boston and I haven't seen Santa Baby 1 or 2, but I've seen Snow Globe, but it's been a really long time. Christmas Cupid I've seen, but again, it's been a while. I have never seen these 2, so excited for that. But I originally actually got this for holiday and handcuffs because it was the only one that I found, but it came in a bundle. So I'll link it down below because obviously I got it on Amazon. But I'm super excited. I love movies. If you haven't been watching me, I love movies, but if you have, then you know. And the day is winding down. I have a little bit of a headache. I've been burning a Dollar Tree candle up in the black and gold room, and I'll show you which one. I have picked out this candle right here, and I love it. It's the mixed berries. It smells really good, but you can kind of smell a hint of like plasticky fakeness, I guess, but It's still a really good candle, and let me tell you, y'all, I can smell this downstairs. And that's saying a lot because this is a pretty big house. So the fact that this little Dollar Tree candle can burn through that much square footage is amazing. But it was giving me a little bit of a headache, so I was burning it a little too long, and I'm trying not to burn too many candles with my cough, trying to keep the air as pure as possible, if that's possible. Loxie's outside, it is raining. You can see, like puddles. Oh boy, here she comes. Here she comes to wreck the day. Anyway, I'm actually about to make dinner. Well, I wouldn't call it making dinner because it's like already a put together lasagna, which as a full-blooded Italian, that's kind of embarrassing. I should be like making my lasagna from scratch like my grandparents. But I'm not about that right now. I'm not about that. Alexa, play. Nice to meet you. Yeah. High five. Good job.